We'll guide you through how to fix the mic not working on an HP laptop or computer. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be really annoying because perhaps you're trying to go and record something, talk to somebody, and the mic isn't working. So we're going to guide you through some different fixes you can try. Make sure this full guide and don't skip anything, as we're covering steps throughout this whole guide, and we want to go and get the problem resolved. So without any further ado, let's go and get into this. So to go and get started, what you want to do is you want to make sure the mic is enabled and turned on. So there's actually a shortcut we can go and use on the keyboard. So what you need to do is come onto it and you come to the top row and we're looking at this key here, F8, it's got the mic icon. Tap on that and we get a pop-up. It says mic off. I'll tap it again and now it will go and say mic on and the light will go and turn off. So this will go and unmute the mic and make sure that it's enabled. Next, what we need to do is you want to come down to the bottom and press the Windows Start button or press the Start key on your keyboard. On this pop-up, you need to go and find Settings and you want to go and click there. Come over to the left and you can go and find System. In here, you want to go and press Sound at the top and then you want to come down to Input. Make sure if there are multiple mics here, you go and select the right one. I've only got one here, which is fine. And what you can then do is make sure it's not muted, as that'll be here. And you can also go and adjust the volume. If it's turned all the way down, that's why it may not be working. So you can try turning it up like so. Hopefully that goes and solves it. What you can also try doing is coming down here and you want to come to more sound settings. You get this pop-up and you want to go and find recording and you want to make sure that this isn't disabled. So if it's disabled, you go and see it doesn't even show up in that list there. So you want to make sure that you go and right click on it as well. Right click here and make sure you select show disabled devices, as otherwise you won't be able to go and see it. So just right click there, press show disabled devices, then you can go and right click on it and you can go and press enable. And then hopefully that'll then go and solve the problem. If it still doesn't, the next thing you want to try doing is just go and check the specific app you're trying to use it in. For example, I've got Discord here. You need to make sure in the specific app you're using the mic, you can press on settings. Of course, the app you're using will be different. On the left, we can scroll down and go and find voice and video and make sure the correct microphone is selected. Make sure the microphone volume is turned up, of course, and you can scroll down. And of course, we can always go and reset it. This is just for Discord and you may be able to do it in the app you're trying to do it in. And hopefully that goes and solves it. If it still doesn't, come to the bottom and press search. And you want to go and type in device manager. We've got it suggested here. In here, you want to come over to the left. We can go and find audio inputs and outputs. Press the arrow to the left to expand it. And then we can go and right click on it. Once again, make sure it's been enabled and we can press update driver. We can do an automatic search, go and see if there's an update available and see if that solves it. Hopefully it does. Now, if it still isn't working, what you can do is go and press the Windows button again at the bottom, start, and open up your settings. In here, you want to go to the left and find privacy and security, come down to app permissions and find microphone, and you want to go and switch on microphone access and also let apps access your microphone. For example, I can go and switch these all on, otherwise they can't go and use it. I want camera, and you go and get the idea, turn them on. If it still doesn't work, you can come back to system on the left and then find sound. And you want to go down to advanced and you can try doing the troubleshoot for input devices and hopefully that will solve it. If you found this useful, then leave a like.